Hi there, today we're gonna talk about a rake. This type of rake is great to remove any surface crust and remove any weeds. The more you use it, the more these arrowheads will become sharp and therefore they will cut even through the toughest roots. It's easy to use, all you need is a wooden pole and you just pull it around. So it will dig at itself inside the soil without any difficulty. Let me show you again. Once you start pulling, it will go inside on its own, and therefore it will break any hard crust. Obviously it won't go in a hard clay, it has to be at least wet down, but in this method it will remove any weeds. Now here we have a few composted onions, but as you can see, it does easy job to breaking the crust and cleaning from all the small weeds. You cannot use it when we have weeds which have grown up to a larger size, but you can use it when the weeds are still small, just to turn them around and kill them in the process. This is a useful tool. It can be found online or even from any agriculture store, and it does an easy job of removing tiny weeds and cracking the hard crust of the soil, thus improving water absorption of the rain. Hope you enjoyed this short video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.